The federal government's case against Sowore is already unraveling even before it formally takes off in the court. This is what Sowore said. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel. So guys, Omoyele Sowore posted a video and said that his trial at the Federal High Court is falling apart before it could commence. Guys, this latest trial at the Federal High Court is seen by many as yet another attempt to silence his voice and limit his influence on national politics. But according to Sowore, the case is already losing credibility. Guys, take a look at this video and I'll be right back.
When people take over, when we take over. The greatest of the greatest Nigerian people. Great! We are just been through some of the most interesting court hearings today. And this is related to the charge brought by the illegal Inspector General of Police before the Federal High Court, claiming that I colluded with unknown entities to forge police wireless documents. And this is the third time that the case was supposed to go into a stage where we would plead to the charge. I'm very happy today. Not that we are not facing tribulation, but I'm happy for brilliance and intelligence and the tenacity of our lawyers. I must tell you that our lawyers are a rare breed. They are different in every ramification, and the judge acknowledged it today. About 10 of them, wow, represented us today. More could have come. We also tell them that this is a distraction, so they should use their time judiciously elsewhere. And so the judge agreed with us, even though they were close to carrying out their illegal arrangements. But the judge was told, on very clear terms, that it doesn't matter how desperate you are, you cannot ask a non-juristic body that doesn't exist legally in Nigeria to take a plea before you. And one of the other lawyers reminded the judge that assuming you go ahead to ask our reporters to take a plea, in what language is our reporters going to take a plea? And that was the point at which it became very clear to them that this is one of the efforts to waste time, energy and resources of the Nigerian state. We are standing firm because our position is not this. Our position is the liberation of our country.
Yes, sir.
And we are very, very serious about it.
Yes, sir.
But the liberation of the country also takes a lot of ramifications. Yes, sir. It will be by physical, mental, legal, and some will say spiritual intervention.
Yes. Right, sir.
So whichever way they come, we must confront them. And today it's in the courtroom. Next time we'll be on the streets. And I know that these days they are also very scared about what happened in the past. And what I've always said, anytime I have the opportunity, Nigeria cannot escape a revolution.
Yes, sir.
It's impossible. And I will never tell anybody otherwise. That even if I'm not the one who will carry out the revolution, it will still happen.
The position is this. We should get it very clear.
Yes, sir.
What happened in court today, just like I've always said, should not be treated in isolation.
Yes, sir.
It's part of the general struggle of liberation.
Yes, sir.
And if we have our opportunity, at every point in time, we have to tell all the institutions, including our judges,
yes, sir,
that what is at play here is just a struggle between the forces of change and the beneficiary of a system that fear accountability.
Yes, I love that.
The beneficiary of a system that embraces corruption.
Yes, sir.
Beneficiary of a system that is killing the masses.
Yes, sir.
And when you see Omoyele Sowore in the dog, you must know that what is in the dog is the voice of
the people. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is not about Omoyele Sowore. It's not about Sahara.
Yes, this case is a clear case of the joblessness of the Nigerian police force.
Yes.
It's a clear case of joblessness. At a time when bandits are ravaging the nation. Terrorists. At a time when kidnappers are picking our children, our mothers, our fathers like mangoes that fell from the tree. The Nigerian police deem it fit, unfortunately, to charge Omoyele Sowore on a matter that is supposed to be a civil matter. Why? Because he spoke truth to power. Yes. You see, their ears pain them whenever truth is told to them. That is just the simple truth. This is a clear case of wastage of taxpayers' money. I have looked at the charge, painstakingly looked at the charge. The charge is defective, both in form and in substance. Yes. Even a university student cannot drop that charge. Yes. I have looked at it and said, why? And initially when I looked at the charge, I said, no, this cannot be drafted by a police officer. Yes. But when I looked at the people that signed the charge, this is not to cast aspersion to our colleagues in the police force. But it does not speak well for a lawyer. Maybe at this point we'll be asking the MDA to even question whether they are even called to the Nigerian bar. Because this profession is a noble one.
It's not impossible.
There is a reason why it is called a noble profession. You don't just file frivolous charges. But let us not preempt what is going to happen, but let us continue to struggle. The struggle must continue. It is not about Sowore like Maxwell has said. It's about Nigeria. We must build this country. We will not join those who are jackmarring. We decide to remain here. Yes. A lot of us have the opportunity to leave Nigeria. Sowore has the opportunity to leave Nigeria.
I left and came back.
But he decided to stay.
Yes.
I have the opportunity. You have the opportunity. But you decide to stay. We must fix Nigeria. And there is no better way to fix Nigeria than what we are doing today.
So guys, this is my takes on this. This is why I feel Sowore would say his trial is falling apart even before it commences. Now, if the prosecution fails to follow due process, such as filing charges properly, securing the right witnesses, or even serving court papers on time, it actually undermines the legitimacy of the trial. Yes, this is what I think. And then, many activists like Sowore face charges that are politically motivated. When the evidence doesn't hold up to scrutiny, it becomes obvious that the trial is more about intimidation than justice. And also, trials that begins with unnecessary postponements raise red flags, guys. Hope you know that. They can show either lack of preparation on the government side or deliberate tactics to frustrate the defendant. And Sowore has often spoken about how his fundamental rights were breached in previous detention. If you watch his interview, if such violations are already apparent, it gives weight to the argument that the trial is compromised before day one. So guys, what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. Thank you for watching.